Yo, you guys, so today we have this little nice wooden box. No, it's actually a knife in here from the brand Calisso, which I definitely wanted to share with you guys because this is, yeah, definitely the best knife I had so far in my life. And it comes a chef knife. They have different ones as well, but this is the one that I bought. And as you can see, it's already packaged nicely. The blade is covered, so it's not getting dull or anything. So remove that. I will keep that just so you know that. Um, but yeah, you will see in a second why this is such a nice and special knife. You can see here it's folded. Um, it's packaged really nicely. There's the brand on here. You got a nice little pattern going on, and then also the handle is definitely something that you should have a look at because I think this is just amazing artwork here, and I'm definitely in love with it. There's other styles if this is not the one you like, but I would say it's really beautiful, and also for stabilization, as you can tell, this is almost balanced pretty nicely, and I like it for sure. And it's really sharp, like really sharp. I will show that in a second. And yeah, it's really light. It's also a plus on that part. And let's actually have a look if it cuts through paper, because that's normally where most knives fail. Also, I know it's not good for sharpness, but as you can tell, it goes through there quite easily. I don't have to apply a lot of pressure. We just have to hold it steady, but otherwise you can tell it's really nice and clean cut. No ripping, no tearing. It just goes right through. And let's actually have a look how it does with actually food. So here's our salad, for example. Haven't cleaned that, but for a video, it's just gonna work. But whoa, ho, ho. You see, I just dropped it on there. I didn't even cut, and it did do quite some damage to it. But otherwise, here you can tell it's cutting right through. There's no ripping. It's really, a really clean cut and nice and easy to handle. Um, I try to show that to you. See, it's just really clean line. Yep, well that's salad. Let's try something else. How about let's see what we have here. Some ingwer. Um, ooh, yeah. See, I don't even have to apply pressure. I just move it forward and it cuts right through. Um, and here you can tell it's a clean cut. No ripping, nothing. Just really smooth and easy. And I'm super happy with this knife. That's why I had to show it to you guys. Um, and yeah, if you are looking for a good chef knife, this is definitely the one you want to pick up. At least if you ask me. I mean, obviously there's different opinions on knives, but I'm pretty excited that I found this. And yeah, if this might be a good option for you as well. So I will see you in the next video, and I would say Badger and out.